The arrest began like any other call, routine, rushed, and poorly thought through. A patrol officer stopped a man for something minor. There was no warrant, no crime in progress, no probable cause that would justify taking someone into custody. The man questioned the stop, calmly asserting his rights. That should have been the end of it. Instead, the officer called for a supervisor. When the sergeant arrived, the situation was already teetering on the edge of illegality. Body cameras were rolling. The facts were thin. The law was clear. At that moment, the sergeant had a choice: slow things down, correct the officer, and release the man, or escalate. The sergeant chose escalation. Ignoring the lack of legal grounds, the sergeant approved the arrest. Worse, he instructed the officer to take him in anyway. The justification was vague, unsupported, and later proven false. The man was handcuffed, searched, and jailed, his rights violated at every step. What the sergeant didn't realize was that the damage had already been done. Within days, the charges were dismissed. A judge questioned the arrest on the record. The body camera footage contradicted the police report. Radio traffic showed the sergeant knowingly approving an unlawful action. The man filed a formal complaint. Then came the lawsuit. Internal Affairs opened an investigation. They didn't just examine the officer's actions, they focused on the sergeant's role as a supervisor. Policies required intervention. Training made the law unmistakably clear. The sergeant had both the authority and the obligation to stop the arrest, and failed. During interviews, inconsistencies appeared. The sergeant tried to justify the arrest after the fact. That only made things worse. The department acted first. The sergeant was terminated for abuse of authority, failure to supervise, and dishonesty during an investigation. Years of rank and credibility disappeared overnight. Then the civil case moved forward. In court, the judge ruled that the arrest violated clearly established constitutional rights. Because the sergeant had approved and directed the arrest, he could not hide behind immunity. He was named personally in the lawsuit. The city settled, but not quietly. The settlement agreement cited supervisory misconduct. The sergeant's name became part of the public record. Certification boards took notice. Future law enforcement employment became impossible. All of it traced back to one decision: choosing authority over the law. That is how a highly illegal arrest doesn't just ruin a case. It ends careers, empties bank accounts, and leaves permanent consequences for the supervisors who should have known better.
Quit resisting. I'm not.
You are actively resisting against me.
Holy. Now you're under arrest for resisting arrest, obstruction, and the parking violation.
Mr. McMahon closes the door on the officers when Sergeant Ferguson asks for his driver's license in order to issue a citation, and Sergeant Ferguson responds by forcing his way into the home, handcuffing Mr. McMahon, and announcing that he is under arrest for resisting arrest, obstruction, and...
All right, there.
Well, Brad.
That should do it. You wear your shoes? Oh, yeah.
There's a leash right there, Sleeper.
What's your dog's name? Pep. Guys, what? Assault.
Other sheep.
What crime? Parking violation.
Hey.
I'm going, guys. I'm
Hey.
going. I'm going.
Hey, real quick. We did this once. Do not do
Ow.
it. Hey, stop. This can go either which way you choose.
I'm
All right?
choosing to go. I told you. Somebody grab my phone. Sleeper, did you get the phone? The phone. It was right next to that end table.
Get the air turned off for you. I don't think we can push the animal at large.
Yeah, I'm not willing to push that.
Sleeper, get the dog up there.
Yeah, right back inside.
What's that? Is that
Where's this paper? So,
she jumped in to get home pretty quick.
sure did, didn't you? You want to go ahead and just get him down there? I'll write, please. I'll write up the obstructing the flow of traffic or the improper parking citation, and we'll do the resisting obstruction on top of that.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll talk about that when we get down to jail. the